2011 Toyota Tundra. This is where the front differential mount goes. This hole, and even from top as well, it got ripped out. Here it is. It's ripped out completely. The crack goes along to the rack and pinion mounting. Also, this hole right here. This is the rear mount, also ripped out, and some damage to this mount. We've already fixed it before, but since the other ones ripped out, this was the only thing that was holding it. So this one cracked a bit. This time we're doing like a big repair and reinforcement to make sure it does not rip out again. This is a snowplow, by the way. This is why it rips out. There's a lot of stress on these parts. So as a first step, we cut out the remaining pieces to make it a somewhat of a square on here and at the top right here, all the ripped out stuff. Note this crack here. It's visible, but there's a crack that goes all the way to the rack and pinion mounting. Here is that crack right here. We'll also reinforce that somehow. Here we're placing the mount in its position in order to find the center so that the bolt can go in after. Right here. Then we'll weld some kind of stronger metal in order to be able to take the abuse. Yeah, it's a big project, but it's needed. Already reinforced this one a little bit, and this has been welded through from each side. That should be enough to hold this extreme force. We have placed the front differential back in place in order to set the position of our new, I guess, bushing or sleeve or whatever it is. We're welding a brand new, stronger mounting point. But in order to find the position of it, we have put it back in, connecting it to all the other mounting points that we still have the position of. Now making this other position, and then we'll finish it up with some strong metal reinforcement, and then remove the differential and then put it back in once it's done. Quite a big job. So we have already set it in the location. Those sticks are going to be removed once we have it secured from the top. Yeah, so this is where the bushing is going to be. And that's where it's going to be bolted to. Now we're just going to fill this with a lot of strong metal. And then remove those sticks from here. And we'll also fill it with some really reinforced stuff. So the top half is already done. Now gotta do the bottom. So we have finally finished reinforcing the front diff mount. Here is how it looks at the top. Also reinforced. That should hold up this time. This one has been reinforced with a little bit of extra metal right over there. We have painted our artwork so that there is no rust, or rather, at least minimal rust. So this is how it looks like. This is the finished product that's ready to be assembled. All the reinforcements, everything painted. This door has been closed. The access door, we shall call it. Okay, so now reassembly begins. Our Toyota Differential is back in place. Everything is assembled. All the reinforcements have been done. And also, we did these reinforcements here. Those are the cam bolt alignment tabs, I guess. That's what you call them. They are bending all the time, so we'll reinforce those as well so that we can actually do alignment properly. That's it. Finishing our repair with an alignment. These are the results. On the left, it's a before, what the readings were, and on the right is what it has been adjusted to. Turned out pretty well. Job well done. If you like this content, please subscribe if you want to see more of it.